Ciao guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lisa, also known as La Dolce Lisa, and today's video is a special one because lately I have been teaching you a little thing or two in Italian. I've taught you some basic words and some phrases for travels. Today I am going to go in theme of this upcoming Valentine's Day, and I'm going to be teaching you some romantic words and even sayings or phrases in Italian. And of course, I hope that you do use these words on that special someone if you would like to sort of woo them in Italian. As we know, Italian is probably one of the most romantic languages in the world. So without further ado, let's learn some Italian romantic words and phrases in theme for Valentine's Day. So I wrote down a list here of some of the words that I think are pretty romantic, and I also wrote down ways in which you can use them in a little phrase or so, and basically in how you can speak to your loved one. Let's start with the words first, and then we will work out how to use them. Amore. Amore in Italian is love. Amore. Now, we can use a lot of these words in phrases such as amore mio, that means my love, or sei il mio amore, you are my love. So amore, amore mio, sei il mio amore, love, my love, you are my love, basically. So that is just a really cute way of saying love in Italian. You'll often hear people calling each other amore because rather than saying babe or baby as we tend to do in English, a lot of Italians will say amore and they'll even shorten it to amo. Next, another common word that is used to describe somebody you love is by calling them tesoro. Tesoro in Italian basically means treasure or even darling, but it literally translates to treasure. Tesoro. So again, tesoro mio or sei il mio tesoro. You are my treasure. That is so romantic and really cute, and you'll often hear people calling each other tesoro as well in Italian. Tesoro is the same masculine and feminine. Same with amore. You can refer to a man or a woman as tesoro, as amore, or next up as cuore. Cuore in Italian is heart. So the same thing applies. Sei il mio cuore, cuore mio. Cuore is heart. Cuore, heart. Tesoro, treasure. Amore, love. Because amore, tesoro, and cuore are masculine, you would say sei il mio amore, sei il mio tesoro, sei il mio cuore. These next few words I'm going to be teaching you are feminine words. You can use them for a man or a woman, but more commonly you would really refer to a woman as a star, so you would say stella. Stella is star. Stella mia instead of stella mio. It is not masculine, it is feminine, so you would say stella mia. Sei la mia stella. Sei la mia stella is you are my star, and that is a really sweet thing to say. Next, anima. Anima means soul. You can tell someone, sei la mia anima, you are my soul, or anima mia, basically my soul. It's a really romantic way of saying soul, anima. What is really cute about the word anima, soul, is then how you would say soulmate. So if you would like to call someone a soulmate or refer to someone as a soulmate, you would say anima gemella. Gemella literally means twin, so anima gemella basically means soul twin, but that is how Italians refer to as a soulmate. Anima gemella. Sei la mia anima gemella, you are my soulmate. Sei la mia anima gemella, you are my soulmate. So anima is soul, gemella is twin. Sei la mia anima gemella, you're my twin soul basically. Another thing you'll often hear people saying is vita. Vita is life, but you'll often hear this in combination with vita mia. Basically, you are my life. Sei la mia vita, you are my life. Sei la mia vita. Vita means life, and you'll often hear it in combination with that sort of phrasing. Sei la mia vita or vita mia. It is, I think, also important to learn how to say boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, things like that. So let's start with girlfriend. So if you would like to refer to someone as your girlfriend in Italian, what you would say is la mia ragazza, la mia ragazza. Ragazza is a young way of basically saying girlfriend, so la mia ragazza is my girlfriend. Ragazza is girlfriend, and so ragazzo would be boyfriend. Ragazzo, boyfriend. You would say il mio ragazzo because this is a masculine word, so we are going to use il mio for ragazzo, la mia for ragazza. La mia ragazza, my girlfriend. Il mio ragazzo, my boyfriend. If you are a little bit more serious, because boyfriend and girlfriend is of course for a newer love or a younger love, you can then say fiancé. You would basically refer to them as fidanzato. So mio fidanzato is basically a serious way of saying my boyfriend, or who I will marry, essentially. It is a more serious way of saying boyfriend. Mio fidanzato. Il mio fidanzato, my boyfriend. My girlfriend in the serious way or fiancé is la mia fidanzata, mia fidanzata. Fidanzata is girlfriend, fidanzato is boyfriend in the serious way or in the fiancé type way. So fidanzato is masculine, again, just like ragazzo, so you would say mio ragazzo, mio fidanzato, mia ragazza, mia fidanzata. And lastly, husband and wife is marito, the masculine way, my husband, il mio marito. Mio marito, my husband. Marito, husband. Say il mio marito, you are my husband. Moglie is wife.